Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are, more options trading. Gonna get right into the swing of things here. We are looking today at Qualcomm Incorporated, ticker QCOM. I have no idea what this company does, but I just like this setup. So yeah, here's my due diligence, and yeah, let's just get into it. Um, I don't know why I started on the monthly time frame. Weekly time frame. Here's what we have on um, Qualcomm. Breaker structure right right here to the downside, and then we've just had weeks of bad on just overall bad, or not bad, you know, bearish price action. So trying to see anything else. Lower than a high. They're just showing trend continuation all through here. No breaks of structure to the upside. Um, so weekly is super bearish. Now, if we look on the daily, we have liquidity. I have an indicator that kind of has like marked out the high volume, high time frame, sell side, buy side liquidity, and it's all shown out here. So we swept out liquidity here at what looks like 157.12, and then we immediately began positive price action out of it, and we finally broke structure to the upside on the daily. Um, the last time that we had a break of structure to the upside was here, Tuesday, 22nd, October 24th. So a little bit ago. At least that's what it looks like. Is that right? Maybe we had one here. No, didn't even have one there. So, um, I am looking to actually go long on this. We have swept out large amounts of liquidity. We have come right into order blocks as well. Um, Here is a order block. You can also include this down to here if you'd like. Right into an order block, filling in orders, sweeping out liquidity. So I believe that we are due to go to the upside. Now, that's on the daily. How far out? I'm gonna be playing the um I'm gonna be playing the and I have it marked out up here. If you can't see though, it's at 182.10 buy side liquidity up there. I am looking to go with the 180 strike call options for QCOM. Um, these ones expire December 20th, so these have around 16. These have 16 days to them before expiration, and I think that this is the prime time to go long on them. The reason why I'm not looking at any other closer contracts is because while I am confident on my analysis on the daily, on the weekly we are still bearish. So I don't know if I'm going to be catching any legs up temporarily before we proceed to lower levels, or if we're going to be rallying to the upside and just keep going up. So better to buy in at this contract now than to wait. So let's look at entries and whatnot. I'm just gonna say that I get filled in. QCOM overnight right now is trading at 162.74. So assuming, just say that we get filled in here, 162.75. That's close enough. All right, where do we want to target, and what do I think is the best first take profit? Well, at the moment, I'm debating on contract size. I'm debating between one or two. If I do go with one, I'm going to keep my stops um, pretty low on this one, actually. And I'm going to keep my first take profit right here at 182.08. That is 4 hour high time frame liquidity. That's also the daily liquidity. So super long drawn liquidity all the way up here. However, I think this is doable for QCOM. Considering that I have stops super low down here, I'm allowing for quite a bit of fluctuation in price. And unfortunately, if price does reach my stop loss all the way down here, um, near the date of expiration, these contracts will expire worthless and I will lose 100% of my position and the equity that I have in it. So I will adjust my stop loss accordingly. I will look for my entrance accordingly. And yeah, if we could look to get filled in, ideally a little bit cheaper. I just have to see what market does at open tomorrow. There is a chance that, let me just delete that for now. There's a chance that we could see a draw for liquidity down here at this level, 160.70. I could also see 157.28. Am I confident in that? Uh, I think we'll take this liquidity and then immediately start moving to the upside with it. That's why I have my stops so low. However, by the time that my stop would get hit, hopefully sooner than later, because if it does happen later, like I said, the options will expire worthless. So, yeah, that's it. I'm going long. I will update this when I exit my position, profit or stop loss, my levels for take profit, all that stuff. If I do roll with two um, contracts, first take profit would probably be around 173.13. High time frame liquidity. Let's see how I'm feeling. Could be 168.46. And I was also looking at the options for even a little bit further out. These options, December 27th, expire in 23 days. They are a little bit more pricey, and the December 20th call options actually have more open interest. I don't use open interest exactly as a telltale sign for how the options will perform, but um, I think that it's something important to note. There's a lot of open interest um, for the 180 strike call option. Before I even opened up the options trading tab, or the where you buy the options, that was originally kind of like my strike price that I had in mind, or that's my take profit that I had in mind. So I really do think that this is a great chance to buy at a discount, especially considering, like I said, gonna kind of just recap. Weekly, we are bearish still, yes. However, daily break of structure to the upside. We have swept out a lot of high time frame liquidity, weekly liquidity, daily liquidity, liquidity all across the board. As we know, markets move from liquidity to liquidity. Um, Obviously, fundamental analysis is important. Earnings like this um, can impact how the market is going to move, what shareholders believe. But from a purely technical standpoint, these liquidity sweeps and this break of structure should be the sign to buy early, buy now, buy the 180 strike call option. That is not financial advice. If you lose, I'm not responsible for any financial losses. Um, should probably specify that for all these, but this is more so just for educational purposes and purely what I think. So, yeah, kind of just rambling on at this point. Won't take any more of you guys' time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Um, and yeah, I also have to update my position on Best Buy as well. Still in that. I'm going to be uploading that videos the same time as I upload this video, so keep an eye out for that. 2 new uploads for you guys to watch. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.